My name is Monwabisi Ngada. This is me, so intelligent and handsome. I grew up at Nyanga, a place called Ekas. I enjoyed playing with my friends. In my spare time, I would spend some time playing with timber cars called Inqwelo. This is my family, only family that I have and love very much. Sometimes I get lonely, like Tina Sonke, I guess. Once when I felt like this, lonely, sad and cold, a bit depressed, I decided to go to the park. After sitting on the grass for a while, I started hearing birds, zinkeloza. I became aware of my peaceful surroundings, even the trees, branches moving, swaying in the breeze. The lovely smell of njajambo. All those things made me feel calm and peaceful. I could feel the sadness go away and my mood changing. I started chatting to a guy sitting not too far away from me. We shared thoughts on life in general and realized that we have a lot in common. On that day in the park, I made a new friend, Ubuhle, Beauty. I do not feel that sad anymore and enjoy spending quality time with Ubuhle. Share a lot of my life with him and I love him and respect him. And appreciate our friendship so much. Just a good feeling, emoja I get from spending time in nature, surrounded by beauty, and escaping the noise and pollution of Ekas. So I do cherish the beauty of friendship, just like Ubuhle, nature, and my friend too.